Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Second step to creating a photo book is to select the photos from your catalog to include in the book. If Lightroom Classic CC automatically created a book when you displayed the book module, you can click the Clear Book button above the image display area to clear the book's pages and photos. You can then add photos to the book either manually or automatically. If you want to automatically add photos and pages to the book, you must have enabled the Start New Books by Autofilling checkbox option that appears in the Book Preferences dialog box as mentioned in the previous lesson. However, this is also the default setting for the book module, so it should be applied unless you changed it. You must then select photos to add to the book from the Collections panel or the film strip in the book module. Alternatively, you may want to select photos for the book by selecting a folder from the Folders panel or a catalog choice from the Catalog panel within the Library module. The book will automatically create the pages and add the photos from whatever photos appear within the film strip, so you can look there to see which photos are included. After selecting the photos to include, if you are currently viewing the book module, you must then switch to a different module other than the book module, and then switch back to the book module. If you switch to the library or other module to select your photos, you can simply switch back to the book module after you see the photos you want to add in the film strip. At that point, Lightroom Classic CC then automatically adds all the selected photos in the film strip to the photo book for you. If you want to manually add photos, then ensure that you can see the photos you want to add to the book within the film strip in the book module. You can select choices from saved collections by using the Collections panel or by clicking to select a source from the film strip control bar. You can then click and drag a photo from the film strip onto a photo cell within a page of the book to add the photo to the page. To swap photos within the pages, click and drag one photo from a page and then drop it onto the photo in the page with which you want to switch it. To remove a photo from a page, right-click the photo and then select the Remove Photo command from the pop-up menu that appears.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.